guys, we're going to the beach and now we are riding on our motorbike and it's about a 5 minute motorbike ride to the beach. So it's not only the beach that you will see, but we will be touring you around our vicinity, around our area here in Panchang. So have fun coming with us on this motorbike adventure to the beach. Well guys, these are all sakura trees. Most of them that line this avenue are sakura trees. It was really good last month because it was in full bloom, but now you can see they're all green because we are entering the summer season. But we still got the orange tree left. On my left side there's the orange tree, and here is the remnant of the sakura, and now it's turning green. So we're actually passing by the back door to the beach. This is the village Villana, and
I like this village.
trees.
Actually, it's a new village.
Yeah, that village is a new one.
Yeah.
This one is vintage 2. That's also a good village.
We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Baby, make your worries go away. So put your trust in me.
This is vintage 1 here, the older of the 3 villages, and that's vintage 3. Now we're on our way to the beach.
Let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to,
That guy's over there. If you go further down there, it will be Sukhumvit Road. But since we're going to the beach, it's this side of the road. The left side, once you go out of the village zone. Up we go.
you and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you have mine. You
I like this line because there's a lot of yellow trees. If they're in full bloom, they look very nice. Here's another village. Yep, living sense. Now about 2 minutes we'll be hitting the beach, and you will see that our place is super near the ocean and near the mountains too. That's why we like Mancha. Shop. More eatery. This is why we love Thailand, guys, because even though it's a province, it's still paved. The road is nicely paved. Even though you're in the province and you thought, oh, this is a super quiet place. That's why we like it. Now, we are heading to Phala Beach there.
I can see now the beach.
Yep, we are at the beach. This is another house, another resort house. I don't know what's the name of that, but it's a good one. Yep,
Almost there.
almost there, guys, almost there. And actually, guys, Phala Beach is where fishermen normally fish and stuff. It is not like your normal resort beach, but there's an area here that you can like swim towards the end of the beach row. But not where the rocky ledges are, because that's where the fishermen haul over the fish and their nets.
Yeah,
But
we'll
you will
take
see it
them.
later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
There's the doggies that we feed, our friends feed. Yeah, we're at the beach now. We are entering the beach area. Whoa! Guys, welcome to Phala Beach. Welcome to the Phala District, our home for 16 years already and counting. So we're going to turn right on this junction here. You will be greeted with that view. You can have your picnic this side. You can go on that pavilion over there. Yep. This is like the main way. Yeah, we're here. See? There's a lot of eateries. You can just buy any Thai street food is here. See, look at that stretch, guys. It's all towards the end. There. All towards the end. You can see like a nice spot. This spot here. This spot of the beach is good. There's restaurants in there. They will cook for you if you sit on one of the chairs, the lounge chairs, and order something. They will cook for you guys. This beach is lined with pine trees, and it's just very quiet. Even though it's a weekend, it's still quiet. Yeah. There are families in here that loves to go to the beach area. So guys, we are done with our fun time at the beach and soaking in with the beach water. Now we're going to take you on the tour of the community around Phala Beach. I hope that you will enjoy this segment because this one is very interesting because this is like the little village by the sea. Okay?
Very local.
Yeah, it's very local. This is the area where we normally eat when we want a beachside eatery. Right.
And this is where I normally bought dishes.
Fish, yep, in
Yeah.
the morning here.
Morning, yeah.
Here. So the smell of the ocean and the fish is nice. It smells very salty. Okay, so off we go to our first village. It will be quite narrow, guys, but we will be passing by the temple gates. Okay? This is connected to the temple straight onto the village. So nice.
I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you want to do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember
We'll pass through the temple there, okay?
Okay.
So you can see the temple as well.
This one, guys, has a market. Probably, I'm not sure which days. So this is the temple school.
We forgot now which day.
We forgot which days.
It's been a while and we haven't been to this market. But I believe it's twice a week.
Yeah. We also have dogs that they feed. That's where.
There's the temple.
Yeah. Here we go. And we are just going to the village by the sea. Here we go. Oh. It's quite narrow, guys. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's quite narrow, a two-way street. Actually, this one has loads of restaurants just beside the beach, but mostly it is residential now. I remember a few years ago there's a restaurant somewhere here on this wooden house, all the way towards the beach. It's called Jibs. But now I don't remember that.
Yeah. We love to go there because
Yeah.
that's the only restaurant that is along the beach. But
So
now
guys-
there's loads.
Yeah, there's
of
loads.
Restaurants
Guys, did you
along
see
here.
this line? If we go straight on that one, we're going home. But we're gonna go this way. And here's the iconic Burger Bus restaurant. Until then, it's still there. That's the sea there. Right. Now this one is a little bit more upscale because you've got Airbnbs alongside, and then you've got like food stalls. You've got the most famous crab house in there, that one,
Yeah.
and a newly built apartment. Here's the crab house there. It's a nice venue to eat for sunset. This one, guys, is an old hotel, Milford, which is turned into an apartment. It's huge. Look at that. Woo! Now we're entering another district. It's the Payun district. There's actually 3 different districts here of beach: Phala, Payun, and Namrin. So it's quite far for Namrin. So we're just gonna end, I guess, in Payun district. This is a newly built 7-Eleven of Payun. That's nice. Ooh, we're really entering Payun. Here's Payun. Oh, and it will be a drop over there, guys. See the houses, guys, on the sides there, and that white house and this house. These houses are for rent for people who want to come here as a group. This one, see, for rent. And now we're entering Payun.
Let's go to the right side and then
Let's
go to the left side after.
here. This is where we like to eat. Right there.
That's right.
This is lined with restaurants at the beach.
Wow.
Here, guys.
It's quite busy today.
It's quite busy. Let's see.
But the food here is excellent, guys.
Yeah.
It's a
Traditional Thai.
authentic Thai food.
And it's cheap too.
Really, really cheap.
Yeah, see? There we go. So you just choose a restaurant where you want to enter, and then you can just go sit on the beach chairs there, and your food will be delivered to you guys.
Or you can bring your own beach chair
Yeah.
and table and go a little bit farther
Or
and do
yes,
your,
that's right.
do your thing. Enjoy the sea.
Yeah, like this one.
Like, look at these people right here.
Like that.
Yeah.
Actually, guys, this one is the front of Milford Hotel, the one that I've said that it's an old hotel turned into apartment. So this is where we are. We have to do a turnaround. Oops. we have to turn around and we're going the opposite way on that side. So here, as what we've said, are the restaurants. Do come if you fancy to eat by the beach locally. And now we're gonna go to the other side.
I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
Dogs.
Dogs. They want to be included in the vlog. So
That
guys,
is
see,
not
did
part
you
of the
see?
plan.
A lot of vehicles because you can just take a picnic chair or something, go and sit over the side and just chill. That's what we normally do here. Now we are entering onto the left corner where there's a newly built hotel, Istin Resort. That's the newly built hotel, the white buildings there.
That's
And
right.
now there's a lot of vehicles here. This is where we end the Payun Beach tour here.
It's a landmark right here.
Here's the landmark,
The dragon.
Dragon Head. Now, that's the newly built hotel, Istin Resort. It's being developed. It's nice. So we're gonna go out of the main road now. Those are also townhouses on the other side. Ooh. Ow. It's a little bit of an uphill here, so yep. We are going uphill. Oh yeah.
There's
And
a new built restaurant on the left side. River Chill.
That's nice.
We must check that place out
Yeah.
sometime there.
I think the entrance is on the other side.
The other side. Right.
It's no secret. All my friends already know. There's no reason. Hold it back, I let it show.
Okay guys, we're now back on our line.
Are you thinking about me tonight?
The main Phala line.
Your hands around
You know what I like about this line? There's a lot of food and convenience stores. Let me show you. We are nearing one of our favorite stores ever. Can you guess it? Okay, good. Maybe you can see it from the distance. There we go. That's the cafe. Here's my favorite. 7-Eleven. That one. Then the beef shop. Then the newly built Mr. DIY shop. See that, guys? Then we've got the CJ Mart here, and across CJ is Tesco Express. And then we've got the big pharmacy in here. And just all the way up to the main road. That's why Phala line is livelier as usual. So guys, this is the end of our tour. I hope that you have enjoyed the sea and the tour around this specific area of Rayong. Thank you for watching every time and for supporting our vlog. Until then, bye!